Okay, gentlemen. Well, the day has finally come. Last night there was a gentleman commenting on my videos. Well, actually, we'll start a couple nights ago. There was a gentleman who commented on the latest video about this. Said he would put the link up on the My Tractor forum and see if any of them knew what it was. And as it turns out, they did. It's a 1950 model BW, and I believe it's pronounced Bready, B-R-E-A-D-Y. So thanks, Trans Am Mike, for putting the link up, and the gentleman that commented on it and told me what it is trakrjorj. I'll put their names in So anyways, thanks a lot, guys. Been wanting to know what this thing is for years. I'm going to try and do a cold start of this thing and drive it around just a little bit. The way they were able to identify it was most of them did not have belt guard on it. And this one, this one does, excuse me. So, also, this is something I haven't seen on any of the other ones. Mine has 2 levers. This lever here is supposed to engage the engine, but you see it's got that long rod that goes way out front there. I'll presume it operated a cultivator, or it had a mower on it and it pushed it tight maybe. I don't know. I'm thinking about adapting the Gravely cultivator over there to put on the front. Thinking about it. I just have something to use it for. So I'll find a good place to sit the camera and I'll cold start this. Okay, so here we go. I haven't started it yet. I just put gas in it and pushed it out here. Almost. Okay, take 2. Appears I had a bad spark plug. There you go. Everything runs better with a good spark plug. There you go, pop the choke open. Runs good. Let's see if we can't go for a little drive here. Let me pull this rod out. Of course, as soon as I would go to do that, it would shut off. Okay, so apparently we're not going to be able to go for a drive. It doesn't seem like it wants to cooperate. A second. I guess we'll give it one more go. There we go. Okay, so there you go. Cold start of the Clinton. The new spark plug, it runs good. I do believe it has carb problems, so one of my major problems with it. I'll have to take the carb apart again, see why I can't get it to run better now, since I know what it is. So thanks for watching, guys. There's my 1950 model BW Bready tractor. I guess Bready, I don't know how you pronounce it, but at any rate, there it is, and thanks for watching, guys. See you later. Okay, now it's running really good. As soon as I put the camera away. Oh well, I guess this camera's